The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched two new smartphones under F-series in some selected global markets called Poco F7 Pro and Poco F7 Ultra, with quiet, cool-looking design. Among these two, the Poco F7 Ultra is the premium variant with additional features. Now let's explore the specifications of the Poco F7 Ultra smartphone. The Poco F7 Ultra features a tall 6.67-inch 2K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 3200 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by Poco Shield glass on the top. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Poco F7 Ultra sports a triple camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with Light Fusion 800 image sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens, with 2.5x optical zoom support, along with the 32-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 120-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 24 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5,300 mAh battery, with 120 watts wired fast charging support, and 50 watts wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15, based on HyperOS 2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also comes with the latest Liquid Cool 4.0 technology, that helps to reduce phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 160.26 by 74.95 by 8.39 millimeters, and it weighs around 212 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Poco F7 Ultra has been priced in global market as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in black and yellow color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco F7 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah.